Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WooCommerce hang on the checkout page issue. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, this issue would have many reasons to occur. And for this video, we are just going through this article and it is showing us some common issues with the checkout page. And basically, one of the main issues is to have conflicts between the plugins. And simply all you need to do to resolve this issue, you will need just to go to the plugins. And from here, you will need just to disable all the plugins. So just deactivate them and make sure to not deactivate your WooCommerce plugin. So this one or the WooCommerce one, make sure it is not disabled. And after that, deactivate everything and see if the problem persists. After that, if it's worked, that means it's some conflicts between plugins. Then you should check them one by one or activate them one by one until you find the faulty plugin. Another thing or another main issue is the conflict between themes. So you have an option to have a storefront theme as a temporary theme, and basically you will need just to install this and activate it, and then deactivate your previous theme or the current theme that you are using, and see if the checkout page is working. If it works, that means that your theme has some bug in it or some issues, and you will need to start checking on your theme. If this is not also the issue, it will be some problem with your payment methods. So basically, you will need just to go to the WooCommerce and then go to settings. And from there, we can go to payments and basically make sure that all your methods are enabled and that they are set up. So you can start testing them up and see if they are working or if some server or API that is down. And basically, those are the main issues and how to resolve the problem. Thank you for watching and see you next time.